So happy anniversary to me.
So this is the start of the project, the before picture.
I'm gonna have to phone a friend and phone my dad. And here we are, still not finished. Today is our 14-year anniversary, and I somehow talked him into doing a DIY project a week before Thanksgiving. But today we are turning this wall into an accent piece so we can make our fake fireplace look like it is part of the wall and part of the house. So I'm excited to show you guys the process. He's coming back in.
Now the first thing that we needed to do was remove the trim that was already there so we could bud the fireplace up against the wall.
Pull it out, no?
Oh yeah, but this piece isn't cut.
That's why you should pull the bottom, the small one first, rather than both at the same time, no?
Oh, there we go. Okay, so now that right there.
Oh boy. I don't know if you guys have saw those memes where it's like the wife starts getting out the tape measure and measuring things, and the husband suddenly starts to get a little nervous and crazy. Yeah, that was the experience this morning. We have a cookie cutter house in a subdivision of 4 different styles built in the 80s, and we're just trying to make this something nice for our home. It looks perfect, right?
A little short, but I don't know if that's like...
No, remember we're putting the molding at the top.
Okay, perfect. All right, so yeah, that's perfect.
So we don't need to worry about that.
Okay.
You can nail, I can make sure it's level. Just don't hit my hand. Are you gonna start in the middle?
Yeah, you want to start in the middle?
We first measured out the length of the wall to make sure that the fireplace would be center with the room. We chose a board and batten style, and we measured out where each board would go for the outside. For the vertical boards, we didn't care too much about securing it to a stud since the fireplace would be up against the wall. But for the horizontal boards, we wanted to make sure that we secured those in to a stud.
Did that one go? Okay, good.
And the sides.
Yeah, but I don't think there is another one there.
Yep.
Oh, there is?
Yep.
Lucky duck.
Oh yeah, that sucks it up real good.
There's gotta be another one right here, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Perfect. So the horizontal ones, we're trying to find the studs, but the vertical ones, obviously we can't, but we're not really worried too much because it's going to be backed by this fireplace.
This side or this side?
That side.
Okay, so go ahead.
Let me make sure it's level. Level.
We wanted to create a picture frame for our gorgeous Thomas Kincaid that was handed down to me from my mom.
Step on it while I'm coming up here. Nail myself in the foot, like some people.
And my husband and I are joking here because last year he accidentally used a nail gun and nailed his nail while building my obelisks.
It is.
Wrong. Right here. cute. And then like, let's look at the picture in here. How is this picture now? Look.
Yeah, I really almost wish we could just like chop it here and just leave it like that.
Yeah, but that would look wonky.
Do you think so?
And it's not. There's not enough room on this side.
I don't know if it would look wonky.
Okay, push it over more.
Which side?
That would look wonky, I feel like.
So?
Because the molding attached to both the sidewall and the ceiling, because it was on a 45-degree angle, it required 2 separate cuts.
So the issue we've encountered, because, you know, we're not experts, you could bring it down. Just bring it down to the second level here. So we're trying to create a nice, like, kind of corner piece at the top here. And despite this still being, like, not long enough, like, it's at an angle, right? So how do you create that angle like that? So we need to figure out how to bridge that gap, because, you know, we're not experts, we're DIYers. So I'm gonna have to phone a friend and phone my dad. But that is still what we have left to do. And then we're gonna caulk and paint it and then make it look real nice.
I was able to finish the caulk and paint before Thanksgiving, but we did not get that trim up.
Well, 2 months later, and here we are, still not finished. The kids just went back to school today. It's way past Thanksgiving, past Christmas, and New Year's. We are now in January, still working on the backdrop for the fireplace, but today we are going to get it done. That incident that I had with the angles and that top crown molding was just not something that I could do. I don't think I had the right saw. So I reached out to my dad's friend who is in carpentry, and he was able to build us that top piece so we could just paint it and put it up. And so today I'm gonna finish painting that top piece. We did get pretty far along, and, you know, enough to suffice for hosting Thanksgiving and through the holidays. So I'm gonna show you that in a second. But we are finally finishing that project. I don't know about you guys, but I tend to start a lot of projects. I get really, really excited. And then I get to that point where there's like a hiccup or an unexpected thing that happens, and it's 3 months later and here we are. So that happened with the greenhouse too. We got it and then we couldn't figure out the screws in the windows, and it was like 3 weeks later that we finally finished it. Things just happen and we get busy or we lose motivation.
So this is actually the same paint that I used on all of my trim throughout the house and my kitchen cabinets, and it is called Polar Bear by Bear, and I absolutely love it. And there's my little Santana in the background playing with his new Christmas stuffy. He always loves to be around when I'm doing projects. We spent a lot of time looking at different options for crown molding, and this I actually ended up getting from Home Depot. I just like the style, and it matched my fireplace, and I know it's gonna look gorgeous.
I don't think I'm tall enough to do it. I think you're gonna have to do it. The nails into the side, not into the ceiling.
Like here, right?
Yeah.
There you go.
I originally got this faux fireplace years ago when we first moved into this house as a Christmas gift from my parents, because they knew how badly I wanted a fireplace, and this house did not come with one. I love the white color and the traditional style, and it actually burns real fire with the TerraFlame gel fuel cans. These brass tapered candle holders I actually found on Amazon. It was a set of 3. I can link it below. So this is what it looked like before we started the project.
And here is the final product. I think it looks so great. Let me see if I can zoom out for you guys. See the whole picture there? Eventually, I'm going to hang that picture up there. I might even put like a large mirror up there. I'm just not sure yet, but for now, I don't want to hang it until I know.
I am really excited for the way that this turned out. It was better than expected. I love the style of it, and it just enhances that fireplace and adds something really special to this room, and I'm so happy with the way that it turned out.
This is a really easy way to add a fireplace that is inexpensive into your home and give it that really cozy aesthetic. So this is the gel fuel that we use for our artificial fireplaces. It is non-toxic, odorless, it's smoke-free. It's called Terra Flame. We love these. This fireplace can fit up to 3, but honestly 1 is fine. And it still like produces a decent amount of heat too, so it's kind of nice.
This is by far my favorite reed diffuser. It's from Slatkin Co. on QVC. They just smell wonderful and they fill up the entire room.
Alright guys, that's our video for today. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope you got a little bit of inspiration on how you can make your home a little bit more personalized and cozy. If you are new here, please consider subscribing to the channel, and I hope you all have a very wonderful day, and we will see you in the next one.